Hello guys, let's see how to install our extension. Here, this zip file is what's required. This will be provided to you by a download link. You need to unzip it. It is as simple as just right clicking it and clicking unzip. I've already done that, so I have this folder now. Let's close this and head on over to Chrome. Here at the top right, click on this button and click Extensions and Manage Extensions. Here at the top right, there will be a developer mode. Just enable it. You will see that 3 buttons pop up. Here, click Load Unpack, and you have to select the folder that you have just unzipped. If you select it, it will be enabled. And now this new button will be there. Click it and just pin this to the toolbar. We have installed this now.